everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can increase volume on your iPhone without button. Well, it's very easy. So firstly, all you need to do is simply scroll down through your control panel, and in here you can see this is the volume icon. So you can simply increase and decrease your volume through this option. But if you don't see the volume icon right here, what you can do is simply long press on the navigation bar just like this, and then this mode will be opened. All you need to do is tap on add a control, and then from here all you need to search is for the volume. Here you can see this is the option of volume. All you need to do is tap on it, and like that, here you can see you can get a volume option just like this, and like that now you can control your volume on your iPhone without using your button. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.